Hi, this is Mark of the Cyberbeast, and this week we're going to be installing the new Teslaunch bumper onto our brand new mirror finish Cyberbeast. So what we're going to do is actually go ahead and do a time lapse of the installation. I'll let you know how long the install took, and then we'll talk about it afterwards and kind of see what my thoughts are. Now, two things I want you to note when I go through this video is, number one, we're always using our Milwaukee, right? Our power ratchet. It's a 10 and a 13 socket that we're going to need for this. They actually supply 10 and 13 wrenches, but to be honest, I'd rather just use power, right? It's a lot easier. Evidently, there's also an Allen key and a screwdriver that we'll need, so I'm curious what we're going to need them for. And whenever I do any of these installations, as you know, I unbox them and I kind of lay everything out in the sections with the pieces so that they're readily available and they're laid out so I can easily see them. Always kind of work with it like that. Unbox everything, lay it out. And the same thing with the, I'll show you here, all the hardware. I'm going to end up, before I go ahead and start doing this, I'm going to go ahead and kind of set them all apart. So this way, when I need something, I know exactly where it is. Makes things a lot easier, makes the install faster. One thing I will also note, this license plate frame, I will not be installing in South Carolina and in Florida. We don't require front license plates. Now for you guys who do, sorry about that, this just goes on with a couple bolts, but we are not installing that on this install. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set this aside. I'm going to throw my glasses on and we're going to do a time-lapse recording of this and come back to you in just a few minutes. So watch away. Okay, so we have it installed. Here we go. The Teslaunch bar. Now it's a little bit flexible. It's on there sturdy, but it just has a little bit more give. Looks pretty stylish. The angles kind of go along with the truck. And as you can see, it's got like a block in front for your frunk, but that's the install. So we're gonna have the links below and the discount codes, everything else. So remember to click on that when you go ahead and place your order. Hit like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you again next week on Mark of the Cyberbeast.